Monday morning, the office is buzzing. Everyone is talking about the game. Leo, did you see the game last night?
It was amazing. Your mind goes blank. Game? What game? Football? Basketball? Oh no, I don't really follow sports.
Oh, okay, no problem.
No. And just like that, the connection is lost. The truth is, you don't hate sports. You just don't know the words in English.
You don't know the difference between play tennis and go tennis. You don't know if you go swimming or do swimming.
So you say the easiest thing, I don't like sports, and you miss the chance to connect with people.
What if you had a sports survival kit? What if you knew the simple rules to talk about any sport?
I don't watch football, but I go swimming.
Sports are a global language. It's time for you to learn how to speak it. Stay with us.
That feeling in the cold open, being left out of the conversation. It's a terrible feeling, isn't it? Sports are everywhere, on TV, at work, with friends. It's how people connect. And when you don't have the simple words, you feel invisible. You're afraid of using the wrong verb. Play. Go. Do. Which one is it? It's confusing. So, you just stay quiet. Well, today, we are going to fix this. Here is my promise. By the end of this episode, you will learn the simple two-verb rule, play versus go, to talk about almost any sport. And you will learn the simple vocabulary to share your opinion, even if you don't like sports. Here is our roadmap for today. First, in part 1, we will talk about the play sports. These are the games, the balls, and the teams. Then, in part 2, we will cover the go sports. These are the activities, the exercises, and the ing words. Finally, in our language focus, we will learn the opinion words, how to say you like or don't like a sport in a polite, conversational way. This is your official sports survival kit. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, let's make this simple. We have 2 main verbs we need to learn. The first, and most common, is play. Part 1. The play sports balls, games, and teams. The rule is very simple. We use play for sports that are games. This means sports that have rules, teams, or opponents, and usually a ball. You are playing to win. Let's look at the most popular play sports. First, football, or as Americans call it, soccer. This is the most popular sport in the world. You play football. You need a team and a ball. You kick the ball. You shout, "Goal." Even if you don't play, you can say, "I love to watch football on TV. It's so exciting." Let's listen to Mia and Leo talk about this. Dialogue. 1. Talking about the game.
Leo, did you watch the big football game on Saturday?
Oh, you mean the final? Yes, I watched it with my friends. It was so exciting.
I know, my team won. I was shouting at the TV.
I was too. That last goal was incredible.
I love watching football, but I don't like to play it. I'm terrible.
Me too. I can't kick a ball, but I love to watch.
What about basketball? Do you watch basketball too?
Sometimes. It's so fast.
The players are amazing.
My brother plays basketball for his university team.
No way.
Is he really tall?
Yes, he is. He plays almost every day.
Wow, that's a lot of practice. I tried to play basketball once.
How did it go? Oh, right.
Let's just say I am better at watching.
Same here.
Watching is a great sport too.
I agree.
That conversation is a perfect example. They watch football and basketball, but they don't play it. Now, let's talk about tennis. You play tennis. You need an opponent, another person, a racket. That's the thing you hold, and a small yellow ball. Tennis is very fast. Whack, whack. You have to run left and run right. It's amazing exercise. And one more. Volleyball. You play volleyball. You hit the ball over a net. This is a very popular team sport, especially in the summer. You can play beach volleyball on the sand. When you fall, it's soft. So, do you see the pattern? If it's a game, if it has a ball, if you compete against someone. The verb is play. Play football. Play tennis. Play basketball. Play volleyball. You can do this. That's half of all sports. Right there. But what about the other half? What about activities you do for exercise? That brings us to our second verb, part 2, the go sports activities and exercise. Here is the second rule. We use go for sports or activities that end in ing. This is not a game against someone. This is an activity you do, usually for your health or for fun. Let's look at the most common go sports. First, an easy one, running. You don't play running, you go running. You can go running in the park. You just need good shoes. What if you are slow? We have a great word for that. Jogging. Jogging is just slow running. You can say, I don't run, I go jogging. It's a perfect, healthy activity. Next, swimming. It ends in ing. So, we go swimming. You go swimming in a pool or in the ocean. Unlike tennis, swimming can be very slow and relaxing. You float. You feel the water. It's good for your whole body. Let's listen to Leo and Mia making plans using these exact words. Dialogue 2. Planning the weekend.
I'm so happy it's Friday. I'm ready for the weekend.
Me too. Do you have any big plans?
Yes. Tomorrow morning, I'm going swimming.
Oh, you go swimming. I didn't know that.
I try to go every weekend. It's so relaxing. The water is quiet.
That sounds nice. I'm not a strong swimmer.
What about you? What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going running in the park.
Oh, you're a runner. That's serious exercise.
No, I go jogging.
Jogging, yeah.
Very, very slow jogging.
That's still great. Do you listen to music when you go running?
Yes, I listen to podcasts. It makes the time go faster.
That's a great idea. Maybe I should try that when I go biking.
You go biking too? You are very athletic.
I just like to be outside.
Well, have a great time swimming tomorrow.
That was perfect. They use go swimming, go running, and go biking. Biking, or cycling, is the sport of riding a bicycle. It ends in ing. So, you go biking. And finally, let's talk about winter sports, Like skiing. This is the sport of moving on snow with skis. It ends in ing. You go skiing. This is a very popular winter sport. For many people, like me, it looks very fast and a little scary. And ice skating. This is moving on ice. You go ice skating. It can be beautiful, like dancing on the ice. But the ice is very slippery. That means it's easy to fall. So, do you see the second pattern? Go running. Go swimming. Go biking. Go skiing. Go ice skating. Go ice skating. If it's an activity and it ends in ing, your verb is almost always go. So now you have your two main rules. You play tennis, a game. You go swimming, an activity. Okay, now you have the verbs. But how do you join the conversation? How do you share your opinion? This brings us to our language focus. Part 3. Language focus. How to share your opinion. You don't have to play sports to talk about sports. You just need opinion words. Let's look at a few sports that people love or hate and the words they use. Our first pair of words. Exciting versus boring. Exciting means fast, fun, and you are on the edge of your seat. Example. I love watching football. It's so exciting. The opposite is boring. Let's think about golf. In golf, people hit a very small white ball. Then they walk. A long, long walk. For many people, golf is boring or slow. You can say politely, I don't watch golf. It's a little slow for me. Our second pair of words. Relaxing versus difficult. Relaxing means calm, good for your mind, and not stressful. Think about yoga. Is yoga a sport? I think so. You have to stretch, and you have to balance. Yoga is very quiet and relaxing. It's good for your mind and your body. The opposite is difficult or hard. Think about ice skating. It looks beautiful, but it is very difficult. The ice is slippery. Or American football. The players are very big and strong. There are many rules. For many people, this sport is too difficult to understand. Our third pair. Easy versus scary. Easy means simple to start. Think about walking. Is walking a sport? Yes! It's a great sport. It is easy. You just need shoes. The opposite might be scary. Think about skiing, going down a mountain. Zoom. Very fast. For me, that looks scary. I would rather watch skiing on TV, in my warm house, with hot chocolate. So now you have the words exciting, boring, relaxing, difficult, easy, scary. With these words, you can join any conversation. Football? Oh, it's too fast for me. I prefer to go swimming. It's more relaxing. See? It's a perfect, confident answer. You have the rules. You have the opinion words. It is time to practice. Part 4. Practice tips. 1. Listening practice. This is your mission. Watch 10 minutes of any sports game with the English commentators. It can be football or tennis or basketball. Don't try to understand the rules. Just listen to the emotion. Listen for words like amazing, incredible, what a goal. This is how you learn the feeling of sports. 2. Speaking practice. This is your mirror mission. I want you to talk about 2 sports. 1 sport you like, 1 sport you don't. Stand in the mirror and use the patterns. I like to go running. It is easy and relaxing. I don't like to play football. It is too fast and difficult for me. Practice this sentence. It is your key. 3. Reading practice. Go to a simple English news website, like the BBC or VOA Learning English, and find the sports section. Just read one headline. Red team wins big game. Famous tennis player retires. This will help you see our new words in the real world. 4. Writing practice. This is your challenge. I am asking you the question from the office party. What is your favorite sport? Answer me in the comments below. Do you like to play a sport? Or go to an activity? Or do you just like to watch? Use our play or go verbs and use one opinion word. I can't wait to read your answers. Let's wrap this up. You have done an amazing job today. Part 5. Your next action. Today, we took the fear out of talking about sports. We learned that you don't need to be an expert. You just need a few simple rules. We learned the play rule for games with balls and teams, like play football and play tennis. We learned the go rule for activities that end in ing, like go swimming and go running. And we learned the key opinion words like exciting, relaxing, slow, and scary. So you can join any conversation. Let's quickly review our vocabulary. Play football, play tennis, go swimming, go running, go skiing, exciting, relaxing, difficult, slow, and scary. Our core message today is this. Sports are a global language. You don't have to love sports. But knowing how to talk about them is a powerful, simple way to make friends and connect with people. You are not bad at English. You just needed the script. Now you have it. You can do this. If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone you know is too busy to study. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell. Thank you so much for joining me, for trusting me, and for growing with me. I'm Scarlett, and I will see you in the next lesson.